Today we are in Roquefort-les-Pins, little village on the French Riviera in the back country, 25 minutes from the airport, 8 minutes from Valbonne. This place I love. I've been there for like 35 years. It has everything you need, everything you want, and even more. You have schools for kids, you have restaurants, you have medical centers, absolutely everything, and it's quiet and it's preserved. So the villa you are going to see today has been completely renovated in 2025 in what we call les règles de l'art. It's a little gem, it's my coup de cœur, and I'm going to let you discover it with this video. You see.